Welcome to our channel where we talk about natural remedies for various health conditions. Today, we are going to talk about slippery elm, and how it can help with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Irritable bowel syndrome is a common condition that affects the digestive system. It is characterized by symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Slippery elm, which is derived from the inner bark of the slippery elm tree, has been used for centuries to treat various digestive issues. Slippery elm contains mucilage, which is a type of fiber that becomes gel-like when mixed with water. This gel-like substance can help soothe the lining of the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, which is a common symptom of IBS. Moreover, slippery elm has a prebiotic effect, which means it can promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. This can help improve overall gut health, which is important in managing IBS symptoms. Slippery elm can be consumed in various forms, including capsules, teas, and lozenges. However, it is essential to speak with a healthcare professional before using slippery elm, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. In conclusion, slippery elm is a natural remedy that can be beneficial for people with IBS. It can help soothe the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. However, it is important to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional. We hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoy learning about natural remedies, please consider subscribing to the channel.